What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk about ants again. Wait a minute. Now, where did my self go? Now, who lives in the colony now? Who lives in the colony is fire ants, worker ant, queen ant, major ant, and super major. Alright, next page. Now this is a fire ant worker right here. Now they have now these are the stingers right here. You can see it doesn't look like clearly, but there's a stinger right here. And this bud is actually where they store all of their food. So the way they share their food is by kissing. Also, they have two weapons, the stinger and the jaw. The jaw is right here. These are the antennas, the antennas to smell things. They can also smell other ants as well. And also, okay, next page. Now here's another picture of the fire ant. Now you can see the jaw clearly now right here. And sometimes, let me go back to the other page. Sometimes they clean themselves by, sometimes the legs go up here. Just imagine how this leg go up there. I cannot show that right now because I have no picture of that. And let's go. Now this is a spider ant right here. Now spider ants are like their disguises. Sometimes spider ant disguise as a fire ant or other ants, so they don't know it, whatever. See the difference? See the difference? Look at the head and look at this head. See? Now, going to the other page. Now, these are black ants right here. Oh my god. These are black ants right here. These are, sometimes you can find them like anywhere because they're common species. Not like these right here. Not like fire ants, of course, because fire ants is kind of rare, but you can buy them. I know it looks a little bit scary because I don't know why. And this is a queen ant. So this is the queen ant's legs. And also, you cannot see the antennas because I got the wrong picture and stuff. However, the butt is actually different because the butt is where they make the eggs. Because he makes the eggs with his entire body. Pretty cool, huh? Next, and here's another picture of a black ant queen right here. I see, you can see now, see the antennas right now. You can see right here. Here, let me draw. Oh my god. Nope, that's later, I suppose. Okay, these are the antennas. In the other picture you cannot see, now you can see. Okay. Next page. Okay, now what does the queen ant do? Well, he lays the eggs, and after he lays them, the worker ants take them away to take care of them. So the queen doesn't like take care of them, but the worker ants do. See? He cares for those eggs. Now we're gonna talk about how do ants find food. Well, if they found out they need more food, they go outside and find food or something. And then if someone's pet them, and they know if there's food because they have pheromones. Because ants can detect stuff if they have pheromones. Like, so they know if there's food above ground or in the bottom, basically. Okay, now natural flight season. The natural flight season is where all of the male and female ants take to the air and make their own nests. Now, the males die, but the females survived long enough and make their own nests. Now, if the natural flight season is done, sometimes they break their wings. Alright, look at this. This is the natural flight season. Okay. Oh crap. Now, we're gonna talk about. Okay, wait, is there any picture? Okay, never mind. Now, we're gonna talk about ant work. If sometimes ant work happens if you mixed up two different species of ants. For example, black ants. If you put a black ant in a container and a fire ant in a container, they start a war. If they're the same species, for example, like fire ant and fire ant, they sometimes ignore because they're the same species. They don't ignore the one that is not the same species. Next. Now, here's where the super major occurs. Look at these guys. Look at the comparison of the worker ant and the super majors. It's like 5 times bigger. Now these, however, you're wondering why is this head so big? Now they're full of muscle to cut off food. Super majors are good of defense and cutting food, so they're good of defense basically. And next, why is this photo look so dumb? Okay, now here's another picture of the super major. And the worker ants, sometimes super majors are big, so sometimes the worker ant helps them to climb the super major. Like when the super major climbs, sometimes the ants push the super major because he's so big. So it's like my mommy, fatty. So yeah. Okay, how to start an ant colony. Now, here are the ingredients to start ant colony. So if you have starting a colony, so sometimes you need a test tube right here. And if your colony gets bigger, you need this one right here, I believe. And after it grows more, you need this, the hybrid nest. And after it grows more, you need an 80 outgrowth. And after your colony is about like maybe 1 year or 2 years, you need a bigger aquarium box or something, whatever it's called. Bigger than this, because my mommy didn't find the right picture. So just imagine this thing being 5 times bigger. Okay? Just don't buy something like this. Okay? Why is there? Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment.